My name is Brent. I'm the co-founder and operations officer at Custom Cubes. We modify shipping containers and turn them into modular structures. A big part of Custom Cubes is acquiring new customers regularly. We have to be able to quote quickly and efficiently. And by using priority software, we're able to create bill of materials, cost estimates, and pricing while live updating the sales team to then send those quotes to our customers.
It allows us to engage with them quickly, to create a quote, to save several versions of that. Some of these quoting processes could go over several months.
Sometimes our customers do require changes while something's already in production, and we're able to look at our live inventory, and if we're able to accommodate a change quickly while not impacting our fabrication.
With priority, I will make a change. I will document what we presented as version 1. I'll immediately create a second version, and that has resulted in sales we otherwise wouldn't have gotten.
When it comes to shipping containers, they do arrive with different specifications. We've been able to tailor those specifications specific to our industry. Other softwares and systems have been restrictive and not allowing us flexibility to have customizations in the bill of materials.
We have the templates, we have the things we can quote instantly. We have thousands of parts that I can mix and match to create custom solutions. If a client asks for something we haven't never done before, we immediately submit that to our estimating department. They build a part in real time. I can quote, but more importantly, the next time we quote that same situation, we now have the part. I can quote at least 3 times more cases. Clients can trust the quote, and we can trust that we're only going to produce products that make a reasonable profit for Custom Cubes.
We believe in growth and constant improvement. Using priority software to improve our processes is both rewarding and exciting. We can accomplish tasks quicker and more efficiently.